Yeah, and I think if you define the success of the tabletop is a successful tabletop helps uncover um, weaknesses
Issues.
that we can then go address. Right? That would be a
Yep. Yep.
successful tabletop. Yeah.
It would.
And
And it's
and
expected. Every
yeah,
tabletop I've ever done has had opportunity for improvement.
yeah. It's just like when Persona, you know that I say this a lot. That when we used to do disaster recovery exercises,
Yep.
we define success as because we would do a DR test where I was the one in charge of backups, but I was not the one running the DR test. And a success was they made it from A to Z using nothing but my documentation and never having to ask me a question. Never once did we succeed by by that standard, right? Everyone has deficiencies in every part of IT in the job of doing this. And I like, by the way, I like you said it's a lot of people see it as a point in time. Another thing is that you don't just do one tabletop and then move on. You do regular tabletops.